Good morning everyone, and I'm here to discuss the shop safety rule. First is here we see the fire extinguisher. We have three three types of fire extinguisher. This first is the HCFC 1, 2, 3, and then the dry chemical. Then next is the AFF. Then next we have here the fire blanket. Then next here the operating your fire extinguisher manual, the procedure to how to use fire extinguisher. Then next we have here the first aid kit in case of emergency, or when you have a slightly injury, or that's start your body. And next we have here the start your body by wearing, or this is the PPE, protective proper personal protective equipment, just is for our safety before we work on the shop, or before we start our operation or operating. We need this is the main this is so very important. Next we have here the also we have here the rules. We need to organize your things, or what, to our safety purposes, and to easily knowing where our tools are they. And that's as you can see. Next here, the good housekeeping, keep the workplace safe. And after in your workplace, you need to clean it, because that is for our safety, and to prevent